guys, so now that we have the metal on the roof of the shed, we are ready to start prepping for the siding. So first things first today, we got the shapes cut out for the peaks.
Yep.
So we're going to go ahead and get that OSB on, and then what's next?
We'll start doing the fern strips and get the corners up with the Sho Sugi Ban 2x and get those corners up so we can get ready for the siding.
Yes.
Right?
Yep.
You know what about Sunday?
What?
It's Sunday, obviously. Sausage, gravy, and biscuits.
Yes, I know.
Best part of it, best Sunday breakfast out there.
Yeah.
So
it's a good morning. You can tell that he enjoys it very a lot.
I made it too, though, by the way.
You did not.
No.
All right, guys, let's go.
All right, let's go. Look at you know? She said your borderline does not need me anymore.
Other than to hold my screws in his nice orange pocket tee.
Fantastic job. Fantastic job. Round of applause, please.
What am I, a circus act now?
I'm done. You sure I look like one?
Crawls all over my face. Would you rather be inside this rodeo zone? As you said to me, we are lost in a common place. And when you feel hopelessly alone, and when everything's going wrong, wait for
Welcome.
So we have all of the furring strips up on the shed, and all the 2x4s have been Sho Sugi Ban, so they are ready to be installed.
What that is, if you're new to the channel, that is a Japanese technique to help preserve the wood, and we also like the way it looks.
Yep, so we're ready to get those up.
All right.
And call it a night. Sun's heading down.
And I'm getting tired, so.
And hungry. Let's go.
Yep.
So we got the Sho Sugi Ban 2x4s up.
Yes.
And it's really exciting because I can just envision it now, what it's going to look like. It's going to look so cute with the house.
Yeah, so the cool thing is we actually hit our goal. We hit our mark for the day.
We
right?
did, yeah.
Which is nice. So we banged it out. So obviously we didn't have enough on our plate.
Yeah.
We hit our goal.
I guess so.
But it's done. So the next step is we're going to go ahead and put all the siding up. So
Yes.
tomorrow's I got to go back to work. So that means that tomorrow you're going to be out here with a torch while I'm working.
Yeah.
Right?
Great.
So
Yes.
you're working and I'm working somewhere else. So
Yeah.
that's how it works out.
The torching isn't the bad part. It's the brushing.
Yeah.
It just takes forever and it's a hassle. So, but
Yeah.
I'll get it done.
It's all in your ear and stuff. Look at
It's
that.
all over. It's on my
On your
shoulder. Look
shoulder
at your
and
hands.
Yeah, I know. It's a mess.
All right. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you next time.
Yep, see ya.